Hi everyone, trying to extract files using WinRAR and you get this error, no files to extract. So let's see how you can overcome this error. Simply right click over the file, go to Open With and select Windows Explorer. Now copy the file and paste it at a desirable location. And it's done. However, if you don't get the option of Windows Explorer, simply go to Open With and select Choose another app. From this list, select File Explorer and click on just once and then copy the file. Alternatively, you can head over to this web page and download the 7-zip tool from here and install it. Once installed, right click over the file. You will get the option of 7-zip. Simply use it to extract the file. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.